And that's the purpose of augmented intelligence. We
Mm,
want AI to be helping them in doing the more burdensome tasks so
mm,
that it can free up their time and they can devote it to do the more important things. And that's what we've
mm,
been telling the teachers. Our purpose is really to help them gain more time, gain back more time, so that they can focus on guiding their students, helping their students,
mm,
especially those who are lagging behind. And that's how I came about formulating a combination of tools that can help employees do the same thing, increase their productivity, and so on. It's about a combination of a growth mindset, then generative AI, and then a goal setting methodology called OKRs, which is objectives and key results.